Well, Adams made a whole range of English Scenic china during the late 20th century, and these are examples of the breakfast cup and saucer, a size up from the teacup and saucer that you'll be more familiar with. So a larger cup, not that much larger, but it is substantially taller, and the saucer is a size up as well. Nice semi-castellated gadrooning. It's really castellated rather than gadrooning around this. So it's a plain rim, beautifully decorated on the inner wall, pastoral scene on the base. These versions, the teacups usually have the grazing horses in. These breakfast cups have the cattle, grazing cattle in. And again, on the outer aspect of this breakfast cup, you've got the pastoral scene with grazing cattle around it rather than the horses. Nice bit of detailing around the outside of the handle, which is a plain loop. These are ironstone, obviously Micratex hard ironstone, which was the trademark ironstone of the Adams group, member of the Wedgwood group, as you can see there, and established 1657, but these date from late 20th century. And they sit on a very nice large breakfast cup saucer, I think 6 3/8 from memory. It's a good size, bigger than the teacup saucer, and the central well for the Adams breakfast cup is larger on the saucer, and it holds it very nicely. Well decorated again with the central grazing cattle, rose and thistle borders, and then gadrooning and castellated gadrooning around the outer aspects of this. And again, a nice period Adams mark on the base of the saucer. It's in very good condition. Few little scrape marks across there, but otherwise really bright and very nice condition. Period Adams, blue and white English Scenic, large breakfast cup and large saucer. Link below will take you through to the website listing. I think there's 2 or 3 of these going on sale. I think we've got more cups and saucers, so there may be some replacement cups available separately as apart from the duo offerings that these are going to be listed as. So thanks for watching.